So from your perspective, obviously you're a big Formula One celebrity. What are the most promising crossovers that you see of Formula One data science applications into other industries, and especially thanks to AWS technologies?
Yeah, I think, and you know much more about this than I do, so the word celebrity is definitely overused there, but I think that a lot of industry have the same problems that we've had in F1, for example. So how do we improve and where do we improve? Those are the big questions for a lot of companies. At F1, we're so focused on the next race, and we have a very singular goal. So we know what our plan is, we know what we want to get there, we collect the data, we utilize the data, we make quick decisions. Yeah. That's no different to what any industry should do.
Very
so
true.
How did that project feel or benefit? What went right or wrong? Collect the data, utilize the data, make the most of that. So all industries have the capability to do that. I think the thing that I see as powerful is digging into that historical data. How can you get the answer very quickly? How can you develop younger members of staff? Yeah. How can you train them? We do a lot, for example, in F1 with running strategy simulations. Well, now we're at a point that we can practice a race, offline, make the decisions live. Think of how powerful that is for the entire,
Absolutely, yeah.
For training any staff and anywhere. And I also think that it's like being able to go back to a decision point in any project and say, with the data I had then, what would I have done differently? And how would those different decisions have influenced the result? And all of that sort of interaction is really, really powerful for industry, I think.
Right.